Amazing! This is SirBas of SirBas TV. In our last video, we discussed greenhouse effect and global warming. In this video, we are going to explore common atmospheric phenomena which include breezes, monsoons, and ITCZ or Intertropical Convergence Zone. Are you ready to learn? If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to like, share, and comment #AgAmazing. Let's go! There are a number of unique combinations of atmospheric phenomena experienced by people in all parts of the world. Some of the common atmospheric phenomena that we experience include breezes, monsoons, and the Intertropical Convergence Zone. In order to easily understand these atmospheric phenomena, we need to understand how does air behaves. When the air is heated, it will rise. This happens because the air molecules of the heated air move faster and spread out, which makes the air less dense or light. When warm air rises from a certain place, the surrounding air will move toward it to replace the rising warm air. This moving air is called the wind. Thus, every time you feel the wind, it means that air is moving toward the place where warm air is rising. Moreover, it is important to remember that wind is the air that is moving horizontally. We also need to understand which warms up faster, the land or the sea. Earth's surface is made up of land and water. The land surface heats up faster than bodies of water, especially when they are exposed to the sun during the day. However, the land loses heat faster than bodies of water at night. Let us now discuss the different phenomena that occur in our atmosphere. Breezes refer to winds that are evident near bodies of water. They are localized winds that are experienced by those living in coastal areas. There are two types of breezes, sea breeze and land breeze. Sea breeze happens during the day. During the daytime, the land warms up faster than the bodies of water. The air above the lands get warmer too. As we discussed earlier, when air gets warm, it rises. Then, the surrounding air, which has a cooler temperature, will move toward the warm air and replaces the warm air. In this case, the warm air on the land will rise. Then, the cooler air above the sea will move towards the land and replaces the warm air. This is how sea breeze forms. The movement of air is from sea to land. On the other hand, land breeze occurs during the night. During nighttime, the land cools faster than the sea. In this case, the sea has warmer air and the land has cooler air. So how will the air move? Correct, it will move from land to sea. The warm air over the sea will rise, the cooler air from the land will move toward the sea. This is how land breeze forms. The movement of air is from land to sea. The next atmospheric phenomena is called monsoon. Monsoons are wind systems that involve bigger masses of air that move horizontally. These winds usually bring abundant rainfall to the country, and this is probably the reason why they have been mistaken for rains. The two types of monsoons are called northeast monsoon and southwest monsoon. The name of this wind system vary in each country. In the Philippines, the northeast monsoon is called AMIHAN, while the southwest monsoon is called HABAGAT. Monsoons occur when the air moves toward the place where warm air is rising. The area where there is warm rising air causing cloud formation is called a low pressure area, On the other hand, the area where cold air sinks is called the high pressure area. The wind moves from the high pressure area to the low pressure area. During the northeast monsoon, the high pressure is located in China and Siberia, and the low pressure area is located in the South Indian Ocean or the Australian continent. The wind will come from the northeast, hence it is called the northeast monsoon. The wind that this monsoon brings is dry and cool. The associated rainfall of this monsoon is slight to moderate rainfall. It happens from November to April. On the other hand, during the southwest monsoon, the high pressure is located on the South Indian Ocean or Australian continent, and the low pressure is located in China and Siberia. The wind will come from the southwest, hence it is called the southwest monsoon. It brings warm and moist wind. The associated rainfall is moderate to heavy or sometimes torrential rainfall. It happens from June to October. In general, both the AMIHAN and HABAGAT bring rain to the Philippines. This is because these winds pass over bodies of water which supply a lot of moisture. And lastly, we have ITZZ or Intertropical Convergence Zone. The Intertropical Convergence Zone is the place where the trade winds from the Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere meet at the equator or near the equator. This is where warm and humid air masses form, resulting in the formation of the subsequent heavy precipitation and thunderstorms during most parts of the year. It is also called the breeding zones of low-pressure areas because it is where weather disturbances are usually formed. And those are the common phenomena that occur in our atmosphere. These phenomena influence our lives in different aspects, both positively and negatively. See you on our next science lesson. Amazing!